to save you from twins. It's only one now. The other one is on his own. How can they save you from twins? Please leave the twins to play with her. God is blessing her womb with twins when she got married. They're pinching you. Is it Shadrach that is pinching your Meshach? You see, they are responding to their mother. But you see the way it's called share with style, shared, and they turn back. But I've been calling Shadrach, Meshach. Nobody responded to me. To tell you they know the voice of their mother. Mommy, they're choking now. They don't listen to sorry. They're playing with her. There's no sorry here. Popo, he's here. He's fighting her. Okay, oh yeah, Shed. Oh yeah, say sorry. Okay. She's telling. Okay, he's telling you. Please see that. Watch that one that is climbing Ozuma Rock. That one, you want to go and meet the mother. I know. It's not spent.